Let's see what the gold has done yesterday and what we can expect today from the price. Yesterday the price was jumping all around. We can see that the price formed a bearish candle. The price was trying to make a bullish breakout. We can see that the price has opened the price above this area of resistance, 3135.61. The price tried to move higher. We can see almost reached a supply zone around 3175.73. But the price has ended the day below this area of support. We can see that it's currently acting as a resistance, 3135.61, and the price did not close the day below this area of open and close price of these two candles, which is a very important information. But we can see yesterday the price was jumping down. We can see the price has gone below this area of support, 3084, and it has reached 3054.37, which is a highly important support level, and we can see that it is a confluence of support. We can see that. And then what we can expect today. Well, let's take a look yesterday on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame what has happened. We can see that yesterday the price was jumping all around, pretty strong candles on the 4-hour time frame. It was very hard to make any kind of a trading because of there is no clear breakout, bullish or bearish. And we can see on the 1-hour time frame how the price has behaved. The price has formed here a bearish breakout below this area of support, and then the price continued to lose its value. The price has returned inside this range area. We can see that here, and the price again formed a small bearish breakout below 3125.55, targeting here the first support level, and this target was reached. But strong candle has took the price even further down below this area of indecision range area, and the price has gone all the way back down. We can see a strong candles where the price has gone all the way to 1 or 2 or 3 support or resistance levels. We can see that here. The price has touched here the support level, and it has gone above this area of resistance, first, second, third, and almost the fourth one. And we can see the next candle in the next hour has done the similar way, where the price has gone all the way above this area of 3 resistance, the first one here, second, third, and the fourth. So we can see the price was jumping up and down all around here, and where the price is currently is, the price could not manage to go back inside this range area above this area of a 4-hour resistance, which is 3113.18. We can see that in the last few hours the price has bounced back down and has made a bearish breakout. We can see that here, where the price formed this strong bearish candle, indicating further decline down, value reaching 3084.36. and we can see this is the area where the price is currently heading, and this is something that I am currently watching and expecting that the price will reach again because of this strong bearish momentum. Now on the 4-hour time frame we can see that this is a bearish candle trying to make again reach this area of the demand zone where the support is at the daily support level 3084.36. What will happen after that we will see, because this is also a very important support level where the 4-hour time frame, we can see these two candles could not manage to go down and close the 4-hour time frame below, which would indicate further decline in value. So the price is currently stuck in between this resistance 3113.18 and the support 3084.36. So it is important to see where the price will make a breakout. Will it be bullish or bearish breakout, which will indicate further direction of the price. If it returns back above 3113.18, it will be inside this indecision range area. We can see that here, or it will go below this area of support where the next confluence of support will be around here, 3072.91, where we have a trend line which is very close to this area of support with horizontal line. The daily time frame shows me this is a bearish candle, but the day could not close below this area of support, which is highly important. So we'll see how the day will close today, and so this means that on this day I should watch closely on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame how the price is behaving around this area of resistance, which will be around 3113, and this area of support 3084.36. It is very important. Remember that today is also a Friday, which is the end of the trading week, which is highly important to see how the price will behave, and it is very important in the afternoon to be cautious, and I will be especially cautious trying to be outside of the market, because strong movements can react or can be shown on the market because of the traders getting out from their trades from this week. So this will be a bumpy day, because in the last 2 days because of the market movements. We can see that it was very hard to make any kind of a trades, and it is the best to stay out until the market comes a little bit down to have a clean and proper bullish or bearish breakouts. Now for this one, I have shared this bearish breakout with this 1 hour time frame inside the premium analysis with the traders where the next target is. So this is the target that I'm currently expecting. And if you would like to receive these updates when this bearish bullish breakout happens on the market, feel free to check the premium analysis. You can also join and receive these updates. Feel free to check. The link will be below in the description. So for now, be cautious because it's Friday when the trader gets out before from their trades because of the weekend, and also be cautious because of this strong volatility on the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.